What's up, everyone? Welcome back to CodeMechanic. Ever been cruising down the highway, music on, enjoying the drive, when suddenly you hear it, that high-pitched whistling noise that just won't go away? It's super annoying, right? Today, we're diving deep into what causes that whistling sound at highway speeds. Is it a simple air leak, or something more serious like a bad door seal? Let's get to the bottom of it. So, where does this phantom whistle come from? The most common culprit is air. As your car slices through the air at high speeds, even the tiniest gap or irregularity on its surface can create turbulence, and that turbulence makes noise. Think of it like blowing over the top of a bottle, a small opening, fast-moving air, and you get a whistle. Your car is basically a giant, oddly shaped bottle hurtling down the road. Let's start with the usual suspects. First up, check your window seals. Over time, the rubber around your windows can dry out, crack, or get pushed out of place. Roll your windows all the way up and take a close look. Run your fingers along the seal. Do you feel any gaps? Is the rubber hard and brittle instead of soft and pliable? Even a small imperfection can be enough to let air sneak in and start singing you its annoying song. Another major source of these leaks is your door seals, also known as what? These are the big rubber gaskets that run all the way around your door frame. They're designed to keep wind, water, and noise out. But just like window seals, they age, they get compressed, torn, or can even come loose from their adhesive. A great way to check these is the dollar bill test. Close your car door on a dollar bill. If you can pull the bill out with little to no resistance, your seal is weak in that spot and is likely your noise source. Try this in several spots around each door to find the weak link. Now, let's look beyond the doors and windows. Have you recently had your windshield replaced? An improperly installed windshield is a classic cause of high-speed whistling. The sealant might not have been applied evenly, leaving a small channel for air to pass through. If the noise started right after a windshield replacement, that's a huge clue. Your best bet is to take it back to the shop that did the work and have them inspect it. Don't try to fix this one yourself with a tube of silicone. It's a job for the pros. Don't forget to check your side mirrors. 2. The plastic housing can get cracked, or the mirror's mounting point can develop gaps. Sometimes, a piece of trim on the mirror comes loose. At 70 miles per hour, that small gap acts like a whistle. Similarly, inspect your roof rack if you have one. The crossbars, towers, or even accessories can create all sorts of wind noise if they are UNT installed perfectly or if a plastic cover is missing. So, how do you pinpoint the exact location? It can be tricky. One method is to use painter's tape. Have a friend drive while you sit in the passenger seat. While the car is making the noise, carefully start taping over potential problem areas, one at a time. Tape along the top of the windshield, around the side mirror, along the window seams. When the noise suddenly stops, you've found your culprit. Just be safe while you're doing this. Of course, once you find the leak, what's the fix? For dried out rubber seals, sometimes a good rubber conditioner can bring them back to life, making them swell up and seal properly again. If they're torn or badly damaged, replacement is your best option. New door and window seals are readily available for most cars. For loose trim or mirror housings, a bit of automotive-grade adhesive or replacing a broken clip can often solve the problem. If it's the windshield, like I said, take it back to the professionals. So next time you hear that whistle, don't just turn up the radio. Go on a little treasure hunt. It's usually a simple fix that will make your highway drive so much more peaceful. Hope this helps you quiet down your ride. If you have any other car noise mysteries you want me to solve, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips from Code. See you next time.